Welcome to the presentation of the FIBERVIEW. In this video we show you what the FIBERVIEW can do for you and what improvements can be made for you. What is a FIBERVIEW? In short, it is a system for optical inline fiber quality control, which is used among other things to optimize the refiner settings. In the following minutes we will show you what this means, how the system works, and how you can benefit from the information the system provides. Let us first see how the FIBERVIEW works. A big advantage of the system is that it works optically, that means without contact. A high-resolution camera takes a picture of the fiber mat every 3 seconds. Unlike conventional methods, FIBERVIEW is used inline, that means in the production line. The software in interaction with the camera system offers a recognition of the fiber quality based on the previously defined classifications of the sheaves. Sheaves are unresolved fiber bundles whose number and size provide information on the settings and energy consumption of the refiner and the condition of the grinding discs. What concrete benefits does FIBERVIEW offer you? First of all, manual measurements are no longer necessary. The main problem with manual sampling is that each employee assesses quality differently, and that the quality is not consistent. The evaluation is subjective rather than objective. Experience has shown that refiner operators drive better quality than necessary because they are afraid of producing rejects, and thus use more energy than they should. With the FIBERVIEW you can relax and know at all times that you are producing the required quality with the lowest possible energy consumption. Because now you have the important key figures to be able to intervene in the production process in a controlled manner and thus optimize the production and quality of the fiberboards. Thus, possible customer complaints can be reduced or even avoided completely. The optimum installation location for the system is after the prepress. Here the fiber mat is pre-compressed, any unevenness has been reduced by the prepress. In the picture you can see an MDF board. Even in the photo you can see the short, light stripes. These are the sheaves, that means unresolved fiber bundles. These stand out from the fiber mat due to their brightness. The FIBERVIEW examines the images for these areas and highlights the sheaves and classifies them for the plant operator to enable rapid controlled intervention in the production process. You can see here how this works in practice. The curves show the distribution of the brightness values of the fiber mat. As described above, the sheaves we want to detect stand out from the fiber mat by their brightness. The bright areas are in the right part of the curve. In the upper picture, a wider area, shown here in orange, is included in the evaluation. Clearly you can see the very high number of different large fiber bundles. In the lower picture, this area has been narrowed down further. The default setting for your adjustment can be stored in a recipe. Here you can see the sequence of image evaluation by the system. Step 1. Pre-processed original camera image. Step 2. Threshold image, light and dark areas highlighted. Step 3. Sheave image. The sheaves above the size limit are highlighted. Step 4. Original image overlaid by the sheave image. The detected sheaves are finally classified by the software. This means that they are divided into different size classes according to their geometry and their number is visualized. Here you can see 3 sample recipes for the fiber qualities standard, fine and superfine and the permissible fiber bundles for each size class. The evaluation is carried out in each case in relation to 1 square meter. Depending on your requirements, you can specify your own parameters and save them in a recipe database. In the main display you can see very well how the distribution of the fiber bundles is represented graphically. In addition, a trend graph with a number of differently classified fiber bundles is displayed at the bottom of the screen. These values are also shown as numbers in the header. All values to be displayed can be freely configured and adapted to your needs. In the 3 trend graphic, the evaluations for each class are shown separately once again. This allows you to evaluate each size class in detail. Settings can be stored very easily in a recipe database and called up again at any time. The generation of individual reports is also very easy. The convincing advantage of the FIBERVIEW that it provides you with reproducible measurement values that allow you to quickly influence the defibrillation process. The permanently available data can be merged with other process data and used for statistical evaluations and quality control. The cost savings that can be achieved with FIBERVIEW are particularly noteworthy. This can be illustrated very well, especially in terms of energy consumption. Experience has shown that up to 10 kWh can be saved per ton of fiber produced. The following sample calculation shows you how this is achieved over a year. In this example, we assume a defibrillation capacity of 30 tons per hour. This results in energy savings of 300 kWh per hour. Assuming 23 operation hours per day, this results in an energy savings of around 2.3 million kWh extrapolated over 1 year. Based on cost of 7 cents per kWh, the FIBERVIEW enables a cost reduction of 159,000 euro per year. This was also confirmed to us. We hope that this film will give you an insight into the optimization and saving potentials that are possible with FIBERVIEW. If you have any questions or requests, please contact us. We are looking forward to your email or your call.